is alive! Watch the... Holy crap.
I got those ones good.
Oh man, that's huge.
Yeah. It doesn't even squeak.
Here, let's see.
Doesn't even squeak, Porter.
Let's see this. Oh yeah, like that's crazy. Yeah. Like that front is freaking insane. Oh yeah, the back's nice too, eh?
Yeah.
Wow, this is gonna be awesome. That front is fucking stiff.
It'll totally change the geometry of everything.
Holy crap. That is insane. That front would go down without trying before.
Yeah, you'd bottom out just breaking hard.
Holy crap, this thing's gonna fucking wheelie like an idiot.
Yeah. And on the back.
The back is actually progressive, so
yeah.
Like, yeah, it's better too. You can feel just sitting on it, it just feels different. Yeah. That front is gonna be insane. Love it.
Well, that's what I mean is the when you look at it from a rider, because the suspension on it before was a bitch.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You know, the rebound's good.
Yeah.
It'll totally change the way you ride it.
Yeah. That front's gonna be awesome on trail.
We'll be able to hit 130 footers now.
Yeah.
Never regret putting good suspension.
No. Clean enough for the girls to go with.
He just sent me an article.
This is the story of this
From
bike.
behind, it goes in here, and that's the battery holder. So, yeah, it'll go like that.
Do you have the screws for that somewhere?
I guess we didn't do that. Put a cardboard box and label all the bolts like we had talked about.
Why? I just did that with the other one.
Oh no, it doesn't. It's got a sleeve in there, so it's still in the plastic.
So it's this one?
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, you might not get underneath there. What are you gonna work on?
As you took it out. That might have to be loosened.
Yeah.
No, it's good.
How does that slide in?
It just pushes right in. It's a rubber grommet. Aren't they the same?
Don't think so.
Have you got a T? That'll be that one because it's clean and it's under the panel.
And that one looks like he spray painted it.
The pipe looks good.
It does. If anything.
It's
gonna look really good when I clean it. Like, we haven't done the final clean on this thing yet.
Of course, the airbox is in. Chain's on. We can start it up. We just gotta get the, oh wait, we have to gas. Are we gonna put the chain on next and then the?
It's SC1, man. New bike in a can. That's all maybe why it needs is to spray some SC1 on his bikes.
Oh yeah.
Grab that 10 mil wrench again, Drew.
It's never good when this bike's going together well. Now I feel like the chain is going to be a pain in the butt.
No, the chain will be simple.
So that goes like that, and then this plugs right in here.
Okay.
Yeah, just like that.
Is there a little clip, like a clip for it?
This actually bolted.
No, be in there, be there,
and there.
Yeah.
It'd be two fair, same thing, 10 mil, and then can't find the hole, Captain.
Let me see.
Yeah, with that.
Let me see, Drew.
That's what I gotta get is a bunch of T-handles. Those are crazy, and muscles like that too.
I think that's.
What you gonna do, brother?
I'm here to pump you up.
With the biggest arms in the Enduro rebuild. Come down on you. Oh yeah. I don't know this guy.
Oh.
Enduro drivers.
Bend over.
You're a two-finger man. Oh my God, I can feel your ring. That's not my ring, that's my watch. Alright.
Look how clean that thing is, Andy.
She's cleaned up a bit.
So
Paper towel will go a long, long way.
We
a
use
bunch of those.
we use gas
First, clean
and
it.
then you what you put in, just motor oil?
Yep.
My wife was just telling me this morning I've got too much shit.
Somehow our insurance. I said,
Somehow my insurances are through the roof.
I thought maybe you had to take Imodium or something.
No, I do need to do that too, but that's usually due to her, not me.
Alright, prepare for insertion.
I just can't see.
It's going. There you go. Out the bottom. Yep, he will. You want to hand it to Andy now?
Oh yeah, it's not.
Yeah, should. Okay, now you see those chain tighteners?
I worked on this thing like that, but
You should have seen it when I brought it in, how dirty it was. You can actually see it's a nut now.
Okay, that's fine.
Like that. Now you can push it right in.
Give it a kick. Okay, good.
And you have to make sure that's facing the right direction.
Yep. So when
So
you're
that
driving,
when you're driving, it's going
out.
through weeds. The weeds don't catch it and
Push it
and
out.
push it out. So that's just the pro tip here.
That's about the tension I'm looking for. So
number 4.
is there a number 4 on there?
Yeah.
Oh, for shit's sake.
we don't have 25 today.
Well, that's a neat trick.
Okay, why
Eh?
tighten her up?
Yep.
Just to keep the tension on it, right?
Yep.
Stuff some rags in there and set both your adjusters at the same level, and then just tighten her down.
Want her tighter than a buzzard's ass in a power dive.
Right on. Here, you get a feel of it.
Okay, chains on.
Awesome, thanks, buddy.
Wheels of the Enduro go round and round.
Alright, let's stop the gas.
Like that, right on.
It's not. Wait, when'd you get the seat done?
Oh, fucking eons
Thursday.
ago. Drunk Judy sewed her up for me.
Because this is just being held together by tuck tape last year.
Shouldn't be anything less than a
Yeah, it's 8.
8 on the. These are.
And Andy's hooking up my pet cock.
Yep, the petcock is hooked up.
That's a new pet cock.
Wait, is the gas tank already hooked up? That's how long that took?
Oh, fuck, Andy's a genius.
Genius Coyote.
Does that
There's
go?
also the
Yeah.
seat bolts.
This
That's
one?
the other side.
Yep. Oh my god, I need
Could you drop more screws, Porter?
up. Butterfingers border over there.
Is it in? Yeah.
now it's in.
We gotta
Can't
make
feel
sure.
it when it's in.
Yeah, that's right.
Now, is there a side shroud that goes on here? That
Yeah, there is a
connects
side
this?
cover. Yeah, and that might be where the.
Facebook.
This isn't about him.
Okay, wait a minute.
We
How come we haven't got those on yet? Andy put the whole
Shut
fucking
up.
thing together in the time you did that.
Okay.
It's gonna take a while.
2D4 bikes.
2D4 stickers on our bikes. It's Zachary. That's the thing. Andy's doctor, when he was born, said told his mom he should call him Zachary because his face looked exactly like his ass. Hey, Andy.
I had a wrench that I stuck back in there.
You actually can get a wrench on it?
Yeah. Do you want me to check it one more time though?
That's fine.
So is this thing basically ready to start now?
It is.
Can I get a high five? Fuck yeah. See, that's on. That was a pain in the ass to get on in the first place.
Can't find the hole, Captain.
There can't be anything missed though. Oh, I didn't. There's something I didn't do. What is that? Just like a Phillips head?
It's a 10 mil.
Okay. You have it. You have that. Get it. Oh, why?
Getting some fuel. Oh, a little bit longer. It's got no fuel. Here, let me put it on reserve and see. Come on, girl. That D4 suspension is a lot stiffer. It's awesome. Totally feel it. Oh, it's freaking awesome. That big wheelie's like a champ now.
Well, I'm gonna have to try that.
Look how much the back tires in the garage. He's a wheelie king, man. It is, totally. That back tire's flat.
You know what? Take it off and put a new tube in it.
Yeah.
It's got must have a leak in it, so you got to loosen spray first.